We have arrived at Salvation Mountain. Here's the crew. Like I said, you don't need a lifted van to join us, and you don't even need a van to join us. Let's take a look at the rigs. That's Jose PhD's Colorado, and there's the vans. My last two videos picked up some new subscribers. That was my video on budget off-road light brackets and the next lifted van meet. Here's my lifted van. I have just under $20,000 into this van build. Broke boy is trending right now, so that's pretty funny. So I always joke around that this is my poverty Sportsmobile build right here. This is an authentic Sportsmobile 2005 for $68,000. Brand new. These go for $175,000. So let's take a quick look. It has the pop-up roof, which my van doesn't have, but these are really nice vans. So you look at the interior. Yeah, these cost a lot. But see, here's the thing. Van fanatics know what a Sportsmobile is, but the average person will look at this $68,000 van, and then they'll look at my van, and it looks pretty much the same concept.
Like, oh my god, $28 for cookies? It's 4 bags. That's $7 a bag. I know math is hard when you're an idiot, but like, if you're a broke boy, just say so.
$28 is a lot for Costco rebranded cookies. You know what you could buy for $23? Some sweet off-road lights. $23 for these off-road lights. Pretty sweet. I'm kind of an idiot, but I do like math. Shout out to the US math team. These off-road lights are cheaper than those cookies. Look at all of these wonderful cookies. And it doesn't cost $28. Just got off of work, headed to Vaughn's right now to get some cookies that don't cost $28. This channel right here is one of my favorites. I watch all kinds of things on YouTube, all kinds of different topics. This is one of my sources for the happenings in the YouTube world. Check him out. 769,000 subscribers. He deserves it. Hilarious guy, hilarious channel. So this guy talks about e-girls. So yeah, this is my source of what e-girls do on the internet, and he made a video right here. Saw your $1,000 donation to her on last stream. That's crazy, bro. I'm still below top 10 donators. Haha. Pokey Squad bro. So I guess guys that donate money to her, the cookie girl, they're called the Pokey Squad. $1,000. So if you're a regular on my channel, I'm always talking about lift kits. My van's on a Well-Tech lift kit. And if you're a regular on my channel, a lot of you have found my channel through this topic, talking about lift kits. And I recommend Action Van Suspension because it's every bit as good a product as Well-Tech and $1,000 less. So I'm trying to help you guys out, giving you guys the heads up on lift kits for these vans, giving Action Van Suspension some product awareness, trying to save you guys $1,000, and you got guys donating $1,000 to e-girl streamers. I gotta get to Vaughn's before they close. They close in 40 minutes. These are my normal headlights. Check out these $23 off-road lights, cheaper than Pokemon cookies. Look at that. Not bad. for $23, and I have 2 sets of them. Let's go ahead and head out here. Yeah, I'm earning some money at my job, so I'm not a broke boy. Last man standing. Made it to Vaughn's before they close. Look at all of these wonderful cookies. And it doesn't cost $28. There's even some wonderful Mexican cookies. 1 pound of cookies for $5. This is how you do it with these mega stuffs. You put it together like this. Now it's a double mega stuff. That's delicious. I think kombucha is a sprinter driver thing. But if you drink kombucha, then you could eat all the cookies you want. It'll like balance it out. My last 2 videos picked up some new subscribers. That was my video on budget off-road light brackets and the next lifted van meet. Here's my lifted van. I have just under $20,000 into this van build. Broke boy is trending right now, so that's pretty funny. So I always joke around that this is my poverty Sportsmobile build right here. This is an authentic Sportsmobile 2005 for $68,000. Brand new. These go for $175,000. So let's take a quick look. It has the pop-up roof, which my van doesn't have. But these are really nice vans. So you look at the interior. Yeah, these cost a lot. But see, here's the thing. Van fanatics know what a Sportsmobile is, but the average person will look at this $68,000 van, and then they'll look at my van, and it looks pretty much the same concept. Not as fancy as the $68,000 van, but it has everything I need. There's a fridge right there. I have electricity, solar panels. I have my sofa bed here. This turns into a bed. TV right there, retro gaming. So, yeah, like I said, van fanatics know what a Sportsmobile is, but the average person's gonna look at this and they won't know the difference between this van that's under $20,000 invested and that $68,000 van. This channel is more than just me talking about my automotive hobby. It's a channel about life. I started doing these lifted van meets because, you know, I got the idea. One of my subscribers told me that I go on such cool trips and he has no idea where to go with this cool lifted van build, and that's where I got the idea that I should start doing lifted van meets. And all my friends are welcome to join me on these lifted van meets. You don't need a lifted van to join us. You don't even need a van to join us. I just want to see my friends get out there, have a good time. These meets are so much fun. The last meet I did, we were just living out of our vehicles on the road, seeing new things. It's cool, you know, being neighbors with you guys, even if it's just for a couple of days. And I think in life, it's really important to have a passion, to have a hobby that you're passionate about. Me and Unisol Battle Van, we talk about this. And I think when you have no direction in life, you might get addicted to streamer girls, to e-girls, and you might just throw your money at them. And a lot of these guys think that they give these streamer girls $1,000. These girls will pay attention to them. But you gotta think about it like this. Okay, some guys might donate $1,000. So, okay, one guy donates $1,000, maybe another one will donate $500. So let's say there's 30 people donating $100, $1,000, like that adds up, and then people like this become millionaires. So $1,000 to them is just pocket change, so it all adds up, you know. So that's why I love talking about this hobby, and that's why I'm always pushing you guys to get out there, and that's why I'm doing my best to hopefully help you guys seek out your next adventure. Some of my friends who have gone on these lifted van meets, maybe they went off-roading for the first time with me. Some of you guys, maybe you go on adventures all the time and you're just seeking your next adventure. But it's just a very healthy thing to do, to have something, to have a hobby that you're passionate about, that you love, so you look forward to some. See, I just got off of work right now, felt like getting some cookies. But yeah, it's peak season right now, and the opportunity for overtime is there. I'm going to get as much overtime hours as I could get, because I'm already looking forward to the next lifted van meet in March. So welcome new subscribers. My last 2 videos picked up new subscribers for the budget off-road light brackets and the next lifted van meet. So, you know, I just want to take this time to welcome you guys. Broke boy is trending. Don't spend your money on $28 cookies. Get some sweet off-road lights.
Second, it starts.